Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. It looks like we have notebooks here from PAPERAGE, medium-sized notebooks, pack of 3 with dots. Just open one of these. Right. It's a dotted notebook. It's 160 pages. You can pause the video and read that. Let's open it up. Inside. Just a whole bunch of dotted pages. There's a bookmark here. It's always part of the journal, notebook. And you can just draw or doodle, add notes. And that's it. And you can just put this band over it again, secure it in place. Sure doesn't wobble. Alright, so if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.